Hey everybody, it's Sherry at the Crafty Decorator. I hope you're all having a fantastic day. So listen, I was in Dollar Tree the other day, and I found these, they're called table trays. These table trays, they're kind of a little heavy. I don't know, ceramic or something they are. And this awesome, have you seen these candlesticks? And they come in other colors. How pretty is this? I think it's a candlestick, or is it a vase? No, candle holder. It's a candle holder and I love it. So I'm going to make a quick little tiered tray out of these. I bought 2 of these. They also come in a tan color, but I kind of like the gray and the black. So I would not usually use hot glue, but just for video purposes, I'm going to add just a dab of it to hold it in place. I did clean the bottom and the top with rubbing alcohol before I'm going to add my Gorilla Clear Grip adhesive. I love this stuff. If you follow me, you know I'm obsessed with this Gorilla Clear Grip. So I'm just going to add around. Now I'm going to leave 2 spots that I can add the hot glue to. So I'm just going to add around like this. And then I am just going to add a little hot glue there. And place this in the center. Now I'm just eyeballing. I think I have it good. So I'm just placing this in the center. I thought this frosted glass candlestick gave it a little bit more of a fancier look versus the plain gray candle holder that Dollar Tree sells. And now I'm just adding to the top. And I'm leaving a little space undone with the adhesive so I can add a little bit of hot glue in there. And now I got to center this. And I'm not sure which, maybe I should flip it over and center it this way. Up. Make sure I'm getting it the right way. Okay, I think I'm good. How cute is this? Isn't this cute? So look, you could just decorate it. I was going to put a candle stick on top with a little candle there. And then these cute little bunnies I think we made last year with the little wooden bunny cutouts from Amazon. And my cute little Easter photo there. Oops, I lost my bunny. So look how cute this is. Okay, guys, I hope you like this idea, and I am loving the frosted glass candle holders. Thanks for joining me. Have a great day. Bye.